I had a conversation with a JPS rep yesterday, and it was quite shocking. Oh, you are my concern. So I was told if your light is disconnected for 2 times for the year, then your deposit will be increased. And not only that, if it's for more than 3 times or more than 2 times, then you to get it reconnected, you would have to pay your last month bill and the previous bill combined to get it reconnected. And when the rep said this to me, I had to ask her, I understand you're not the one making the policies, but isn't this illegal? And I'm wondering if OUR really approve this. And don't these things have to come through OUR? I mean, isn't this why you guys are there? You know what I realize is that these people who are in charge of taking care of the well-being of the citizens of Jamaica, the paying citizens of Jamaica, I would understand if this is a situation where you are bridging JPS Light or whatever the situation is, doing something illegal with JPS Light, then they're going to tell you that we're going to penalize you and you have to pay this amount. Now we know that JPS is not owned 100% by Jamaica. I think the Jamaican government own what, which is us, 19.1% when I look on their website, right? But I'm asking, how is this legal? This cannot be legal. The people that we are putting in power to represent us and to take care of our well-being, they're awfully quiet about these things. And I was also informed that this has been a thing since last year, July 1st of last year. July 1st of last year, paying customer. I'm not stealing, I'm not bridging, I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm paying my bill. So you work and you get monthly payment. You know that your electricity bill does not come on at the end of the month. For some people, it doesn't come at the end of the month. It comes in the middle of the month, right? And you're going to tell me that because I think the grace period for JPS is like 5 days or something like that. So you're going to disconnect my lights. I'm going to have to pay to put it back on. Right? And you're telling me that because that's been disconnected. You guys are not in touch with reality. You think that everybody work a salary that can take care of everything and have money that lasts over into the month. I am honestly concerned. Because you guys need to, I hope y'all see this. I don't need to address the shit. Because I think the more of these people come in Jamaica, and for one, I think Jamaica has the highest rate in electricity. You understand? Jamaicans have to pay for the ones who are not paying. You get what I mean? So there's so many things that I think, and because you guys have a monopoly with Jamaica, that is why you're doing these things, and I can't understand why this has not been addressed. The JPS has no competition, so this is why this is happening. And yes, a lot of people would say go solar, and as soon as I have my own home, I will be going solar because this right here is abusive. And then you know what I realized? Y'all go and hunt the scammers and the people, the low life criminals and stuff like this, and hunt them. But the ones who are really committing the white collar crime, wanna not look on this because this is illegal. This is illegal. Oh fuck. This country is like y'all don't want the citizens to survive. You don't want to keep on doing these things. And I not understand how can this ever be brought and be approved by OUR. OUR, like, yo, you see, this is how black men are. You see, the minute because you guys are being taken care of, give a fuck. Trample. Care about the people who are already paying these high prices. Do you get me? Not care about these people. And then sit down. I wanna make it like it's nothing. Yo, wickedness can't done. It can't done. I'm sorry. because me no know how this can ever be approved. I'm going to have to pay my last month bill combined with the second to last to get it, and I'm not doing anything illegal. And my monthly bill is coming anywhere from $11,000 to $17,000. Me not think Jamaicans can run Jamaica bomber clots. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but the oppression is real in this bitch. It is real.